Today I am going to show you how to move Steam games from one drive to another drive. Let's get started. First of all, open Steam. Click on Steam. Settings. Downloads. Steam library folders. Add library folder. Now choose on which drive you want to move your game files. Close Settings window. Go to Library. Right-click on the game you want to move. Click on Properties. Click on Local Files. Click on Move Install Folder. Click and choose the Steam library folder you want to move your game in. Click on Move Folder. Wait until it moves your game files. Click on Browse Local Files. Now you can see your game files successfully moved from one drive to another. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. You can also check my other videos. It will not hurt that much. Thanks for watching.